I'm in a 2014 Honda CR-V, and today I'm going to show you how to refill your gas. So from here, we'll first go down to your driver's side here. There should be a release lever with a little tension that should release the safety cover over your gas cap. Can't really see it in the video, but there's a little cord right here, like a little cable. You want to make sure that's attached. If it's not, you're going to need to address that. But here's what it looks like popped open, and then from here, that's what the whole inside looks like. Make sure nothing's bent out of place, no debris stuck in here. But once you're in here, you just unscrew this like normal at the gas pump, refill. Make sure you use the proper gas, but it should take something like a regular unleaded. I'd use something like an 87 grade. But unscrew, fill, screw back on when you're done. And then once this is closed, this is where that safety was held. It's now locked in place again. So to open this again, you'd need to go back here and pull that lever again. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.